This FYI Austin is sponsored by Centennial Advisors.
Hey there, I'm Erica Brennis with FYI Austin. Okay, so you might have saved your whole life. You're almost ready to retire, but now you have a new thing to think about, and that is replacing that monthly paycheck that you're so used to. Joining us now to talk about that is Michael Reese of Centennial Advisors. Mike is a certified financial planner, retirement planner here in Austin. So Mike, let's talk about generating that income in retirement.
You bet. Erica, always good to see you again. And, when you think about it, saving money for retirement, that's actually pretty easy. All you have to do is diversify. You just keep adding money to the pot. But when it comes to retirement, the game changes dramatically.
I can imagine. So tell me more about what you mean by that.
Well, of course. Think about it this way. When you're saving for retirement, you just have one goal. That is growth and accumulation. That's all you have to focus on. But once you retire, now you have to replace that paycheck. And now you have to worry about three goals. One, you want to protect your money from market losses. Two, you want to generate consistent and regular income. And third, you still want to try to grow your money a little bit. Now, don't forget, you also have to think about Social Security timing questions as well. It's just a bigger job and you need to have a plan.
So Mike, what does a good plan look like?
Hey, that is a really good question. A good plan should be pretty simple, but it should lay out three things. One, where are you going to take your retirement income from, which accounts? Two, how long are those accounts going to last? And three, how are you going to take advantage of, or at least think about, inflation over time?
So Mike, what should our viewers do to get more information about this from you?
See, this is a really good question. Now, if you're retired, if you're nearing retirement, we have a free resource for you. It's a simple little booklet. It's titled, Will You Have Enough Income in Retirement? It looks just like this. As I said, it's absolutely free. To get it, all you have to do is go to www.freeincomeplan.com. Just put in your name, email address. It's sent to you right away. It's freeincomeplan.com. It's quick. It's easy. Only takes a minute.
Awesome, Mike. Thanks as always for joining us, sharing your wonderful information. I know I need to be paying better attention to this. So Mike, thank you, and we'll talk to you again soon. Are you wondering how you will replace your paycheck in retirement? You need a plan, and that starts with a quick and easy free download at www.freeincomeplan.com. It only takes a minute, so why not get it now? freeincomeplan.com.